Hi dear friends, today I am going to demonstrate about a latest brand new technology from regenerative medicine, and this is basically autologous stem cell treatment. First step in this technology is we have to harvest the tissue, and we are taking 6 punches from the scalp, and today our target is treatment of vitiligo as well as treatment of androgenic alopecia in the same patient. And we are going to numb this area first, and in this punches we will get two things. One is the fat and second is hair follicles. And the purpose of this regenerative Regenera activa is to disrupt the parenchymal stem cells which are present in these tissues, and we will mix these disrupted parenchymal stem cells with PRP, and then we will re-inject in this patient. And as I told you, this in this patient we are using this treatment for two purposes. One is androgenic alopecia, and second is he is a patient of stable vitiligo, and he just want that with this stem cell treatment we will fix the areas which are exposed. Thank you. So here you can see we have taken 1.2 ml of serum and from PRP, and we will put it over here. And this is the machine, and this is the procedure that is ready, and we have put our 3 samples in this kit or cones, and now we will start the treatment, and we will give 2 to 3 cycles for this automated separation of SVF. So these we will get viable stem cells to be re-injected, and we will solve the patient's problem with the help of these active stem cells fraction. So now we will take it out, and these 1.2 ml will contain up to 5,000 to 10,000 autologous stem cells, and we are going to mix this rich stem cell rich solution of PRP with another 3 ml of PRP, and then we are going to re-inject in the area of androgenic alopecia, and as well as we will treat the other area of vitiligo, which we will discuss later on. So we are basically mixing the two solutions. One is basically saline, and other is stem cells which we had got through this Regenera activa. So in total we have 10 ml of this solution, which we are going to inject in both the areas. One is androgenic alopecia and other is a patch of stable vitiligo. So now we are going to start this treatment, and first indication is androgenic alopecia. And in androgenic alopecia, you have to remember one thing, that patient has healthy scalp, and there is no underlying hormonal or nutritional abnormality, and no inflammation on the scalp, and the patient has at least healthy hair. And of course this is not a replacement for hair transplant, but it helps all those patients which have good quality hair. This is for maintenance purpose, and you need one treatment every year. And for injection, you have to remember that you have to inject 0.1 ml per centimeter square. In my opinion, this area of the scalp, that is vertex, is highly responsive to this treatment. That's it. Thank you, and I really appreciate my patient who has volunteered for this educational video. Thank you very much, and thank you my team, and thank you of course AK International for supporting. Thank you.